Hello fellow YouTubers and all my mobility scooter friends. This is the iScoot Connecticut channel. I'm your host Robert G. I'm back with a new mobility scooter. This is the Pathmate from ForceMech. What stands out about the Pathmate is its lightweight, compact size, and quick fold design. In this video I will be unboxing and setting up the scooter. Subscribe for follow-up videos where I will be testing the scooter and pushing it to its limits. It seems to be packed very well, but you can watch and make your own judgment. This is a signed inspection report of the scooter. Owner's manual and keys. You get 2 keys, keep one with the scooter, and put the other one in a safe location. This is the charger. It's a 24-volt, 2-amp charger. I believe it's a standard mobility scooter charger, but you should still only use this charger on this scooter and not swap battery chargers around. This is the lithium-ion battery. It's 24 volts, 12 amp hours, and weighs 6 pounds. The color is matched to the scooter, which is a nice touch. This looks to be the bag that attaches to the tiller. I got the scooter out of the box. Let's unfold it for the first time and see if we can get it going. I have worked with a lot of different mobility scooters in the past, so the process is pretty simple for me, but you should read the owner's manual first. The battery goes in with the charging port facing forward. You can see I tried to do it backwards at first, and it does not go that way. Simply press it in gently and firmly. After unlocking the brake release and placing the key in the on position, we are ready to go. The front bag slips onto a bracket on the tiller. I found it easier to install if you sit on the seat and pull the bag towards you. There's also one Velcro strap to help keep it in place. The bag is a little small, but the intent with the Pathmate is to keep everything compact. The Pathmate has a large LED front headlight. I strongly recommend using it at all times. I cannot imagine that it is a significant drain on the battery. The rear brake light is also very bright. It only functions as a brake light and not as a running light, but that's still better than most mobility scooters on the market today. The controls on the tiller are straightforward and seem sturdy. It has everything you need and nothing that you do not need. You cannot see from this angle, but there's also a USB port on the side to charge your cell phone. Before I go any further, I want to fully charge the lithium-ion battery. Once again, only use the charger supplied by ForceMech. Here I am charging the battery with it still in place on the scooter. You can also remove the battery and charge it separately. I found this a little easier since the charging port on the battery faces the inside of the scooter. I would like to thank everyone for watching. This video was just to cover the unboxing and setup. Please subscribe. I'll be doing a series of videos testing and evaluating the ForceMech Pathmate. If you're interested in the Pathmate, I'll leave a link in the description to ForceMech's website. This video is not a review. I just want to show everyone my experience and let you make your own informed decision.
It don't sing and dance and it don't walk. As long as I can have you here with me, I'd much rather be forever in